This is a refrigerant leak detector unboxing, including the package is a user manual, outlet adapter, USB charging cable, filters, and the leak detector. Here we're going to look at the design concept of the leak detector. So you have the on-off to turn the device on-off. Okay, in the center, you have the peak, turns peak on-off. Okay, in the top right, at the bottom right, you have the mute, which mutes the audio. Top left, you have the reset, resets the data. And finally, bottom left is the sense, which adjusts sensitivity. We're going to look at the set. I'm going to turn on the device. There's a 30-second warm-up timer. Here we have the peak, which turns on off. Mute mutes the audio. Sense, sensitivity, low, medium, and high. And here's the reset to reset the data. Finally, we're going to do a test of the detector. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.